doesn't take a lot to be a VTuber, but there are some bare minimum requirements needed. While some people say it's expensive, if you have these few things, you might not need to spend a penny. To be a VTuber, you would think first and foremost, you need some kind of camera, right? Well, you're not wrong, but you can stream with an avatar without using a camera. Using a program called Vtubeing, and with the help of a Discord account, you can have 2 pictures as an avatar. One for when you speak, and one for when you're silent. Most people have one of their mouth open and one with it closed, but you can have them be whatever you want. This is something you can send other VTubers when you collab so that they can have you on their stream too. This should be obvious, but you need a computer of some sort to stream. You might think you need a powerful computer, but that's only the case if you're planning to stream games with realistic graphics at their high settings. If you have a very basic computer or laptop, there may be some things you are unable to stream or struggle to stream. If you just want to chat with people or play super simple games, you won't have to worry about this. But if you exclusively want to play high graphic games, you might want to invest in a better device to do so. With a computer, of course, you need internet. You do not have to have a fancy plan to stream. I'm currently on the lowest tier of my internet plan, and I've been able to stream games like Monster Hunter Rise and The Hunter Call of the Wild. My viewers run into slight lag now and then with these games, but it is few and far in between, so it doesn't ruin the experience. If you would like to talk to your viewers, you're going to need some form of mic. It can be attached to a headset, standing mic, whatever you want. If you want to be a mute streamer, feel free to ignore this because all you need is a keyboard. Last one is another kind of obvious one, but having a mouse is pretty great, or a touchpad, whatever floats your boat. But that's basically it. You don't need anything fancy to start at all. Some people even stream with their smartphone or tablet alone. If you want to know what you should do before you even consider buying tech for VTubing, check out my previous video, put it up for you, and throw a link down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or pop in one of my streams. If you like my art, I got commissions open. Hope this helped. Bye bye!